I'm back again with another great and wonderful video. You are going to enjoy this series of analysis throughout this week, or throughout the entire, let me say, throughout the entire of this month slash, let me say, next month. Yeah. So try to enjoy and subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and try to see how I mark my zones again potential next week. As forex trader, as a business owner, you have to be more serious and you have to be more committed to your craft so that you can be able to reach your expected goals and desires in life. Remember, forex is not for the weak, and this video is for educational purposes only. Don't be used as a financial advice to go and trade forex. It's for people that have mind. Yeah. So without wasting much time, let's get started into our today video. In today's video, I'm going to be marking new zones. This is MT5. This is MT5 that I'm using. This is MT5, but I clone another MT5. So without wasting much time, here is the MT4. I'm going to analyze EURGBP for this week, and we are going to do recap next week Sunday. Also, I'm going to upload the video, and all these details is going to be screenshot and sent to my Telegram and WhatsApp group. Yeah, so as you can see here in our front, we have EURGBP, and in this EURGBP we are on monthly time frame. So what do we see here? What can we see here? As I can see, I have no much clue and no much data formation that I have here. Only I have many weeks rejection, and as I can see here, I can see that the market is trying to do a sideways like this. As you can see, the market go like this, it come back like this. It's like on a sideways something like this. The market is still like on a sideways. Let me change the color of this to be something. Yeah, as you can see, something like this. But nevertheless, let's get started. Let's move into our video to see what we have today. What we have today. Okay, yeah, let me reduce the yeah, it's okay like this. Okay, here we have, let's move to our analysis. As we can see here, monthly. So the first thing we need to do, we need to look for engulfing buy or support and resistance level. Where can we be able to support them? As you can see, in this month, this is just the new monthly opening of September. As you can see, it has not reached anywhere, so it opened as a buy candle. As you can see, green in other different distance. So me, I don't have much data here. I don't have enough data formation, but all what I can see is that there's a resistance level that engulfing buy has been broken, which is called engulfing fail here. So you need to stick to the chart, talking to yourself, for you to be able to mark zones accurately. So this is for a long-term buy. No, I mean sell. If you want people that are selling, it's for a long term. But still, nevertheless, in the zone, I'm going to filter them. Let me use white, because white is from the measure. White signify potential buy. That is, you don't have potential buy or potential zones that's very qualitative. So after then, I will move back and sit down here. Here I can see engulfing buy only here. And in this place here, I see engulfing buy meet engulfing buy here. here, and in the zone there's something that happened in the zone also. There's another big engulfing that happened in the zone. So here I'm going to mark only these two zones, the support level. We call this support level. This is a support level, my fellow forex trader. This is a support level. This is a support level. So we're going to work with these two zones only, the up zone here and the down zone here. So since we are on monthly time frame, what do? We then go to weekly so that we can reduce our risks and extract the juicy part in the zones that we can see. Okay, let this load, man. Why is load? The chart is trying to load. Okay, so in this weekly region, what am I seeing? I can see another engulfing. I can see support become a resistance, and in that place is still break. So let me start marking other zones here. As I can see here is support level here, and also in there there's another one that I saw here. Shut. Why? Yeah, let it be. Yeah, we can see something here. There's something reasonable in this place. So what I will do, I will adjust this zone to be here. I will adjust this zone to be here because it's the potential place that the magic happen. After I've marked this on weekly, then I'll still go down. I will still go down to for the sell and see what is happening in the support and resistance level. So after doing this, you try to read the chart, try to see and analyze. This is weekly. There are many things happening here. Since here is too much, it's too big, let me do something here. I saw a particular some setup here that next week it might be a potential for us. This place, and this place. Let me see how price react to the zone. Let me see how price reacts. Wow, price have reacted to the zone. Price have reacted already in the zone. Price have reacted in the zone already. But nevertheless, we can still get something. So these are the zones that I have something in common that I can work with throughout this week. Up and down. These are the zones that I only mark. So let me go to daily. This is what I get on daily time frame. Please don't mind doing my chart are so messy, but I will clear it up. All this drawing, I'm just doing it so that I can be able to work with it together. Okay, on daily time frame, what can I see in this area? On daily, I can see here engulfing sell support level. This is what we used to say if it turns out like this. Did you see? Break and retest. This is what happened in the zone. But we are not after that. We are after the zones. The quality of the zone. What happened in the zone? That is what we are after. After then, what can I see? There's engulfing sell, but the sell is not that too strong. What happened here? So in this zone, I can be able to change the color now, since it's H4. No, here is daily. Since it's daily, let me use this color for daily. This is for daily. This is for daily. So you have to learn how to filter the zones to a maximum level that you will not risk much of your account in order for you to get profit. Let's go. After that, what can I get up? Yeah, I can see something. So this my upper zone. This white zone. I can see there are many things that happen, but I have to minimize it to here, because this zone is where the things happen. This zone. So this the reason why I'm marking this zone is for people that love swinging, and swinging it will be very important than scalping sometimes, so that you won't go and risk much of your money. And here too is also a daily zone. I can see. Don't ask me what I see. As we go further in the series, you understand what I used to look for, what I used to look out for in the zone. So if this zone fail, this zone is going to up, but this zone is still too big, I'm going to filter it on H4 level, this white zone. Then this is already okay. Then this zone here, if price come back for next week, we are going to look for a sell in this zone. If price come back next week, we are going to look for a sell here. Today is Saturday already. Today is Saturday 2nd of September. So if price come back here, we are going to look for a better sell in this place. So let's move further. So here is for the sell zone. Then let me go down to the buy zone. Engulfing buy, engulfing sell. So this zone is very powerful. This zone. Yeah, this zone is very powerful. This is daily. Yeah, this is daily. This is daily. So let me go down to the weekly. This white zone that I mark. The white zone that I mark. This white zone. Let me see what happened in the white zone below it, so that I can be able to filter. Let's go. Actually, here I couldn't find a setup on this place. I could not find setup in this my area, so I need to use H4 to determine where things occur in this dark area. This place. So in this place I can see two potential zones, if I'm not mistaken, but it might poke and go. So price have retouched here and go, but let me use this so that you will understand. Price have already touched this zone, so this zone is not too that fresh anymore, but I will look for the downside here where the things happen, the magic happen for new setup. So in this place I can have two. I will have two places where price can play with. This is the zone where price can play with. This zone here, this is on H4. This zone, price is going to work with it. Remember, it's on daily. Then still on the daily, let me change the color to H4 color. This place is H4 color slash daily. H4 in this place engulfing by, yes, I can see it. This place, even here, let me change its color because I already know here is serving as a weekly and daily and H4 zone, so I already know. So you too, you should know. So as you can see, here is our current market position. So price is going to touch here and go back, and you can see I didn't even go to the further, but when I go to future, you see it, price touch this place and go back. So here is not a fresh zone anymore, so I'm waiting for a buy in this place here, a supportive buy, a lucrative buy here in this place. Yeah, and this is the place where the buy happened. As let me still adjust my cursor to the exact point where the market move and touch together themselves. Yeah, so here is okay. Then let me go back to this downside. This down here also I can see. Now look at the current market position before I even proceed and go further. Here was the market current condition on daily. Then look at it, when price touch and go back, it just touch and go back. Just look at it. Price touch how many times? Go. It touch and go. But remember, it's not a fresh zone anymore here, so we are still going to wait and see what is going to happen on Monday. Either it's going to go down or it's going to go up. Let's see if price come back here, we have potential of selling again, and here when price come, have potential of buying. But remember this, on risks also attached to it. So let me move further. This is how we mark. We waste time, we study, we should know what is happening in the market before we decide to do our buy and sell. All this is how to do with psychology. So after here and here, this zone, then let me go back to this zone also here. Sell. So in this place here, there is high potential of market. There is high potential and probability that market is going to respect this zone. This zone is so powerful. Remember, all this zone is daily and H4. So I will write it on my trading journal. All this my yellow line, this one here on EURGBP is H4 and daily, H4 daily. So this is what we are going to work with next week. Buy here when price reach. Let me reduce the noise on the chart. Let me see what happened last week. Let me try to see what happened last week. How many on daily time frame? How far does it move? So that I won't mark much zones and confuse you guys. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, it didn't move much. So let me just clean all this so that you understand clearly. All these zones, all this blue box that I'm marking. All this is even far much. Oh, why is this delaying me? Why the delay? Shadow. Let me delete it. Remember, this place price might reach and price might not reach. So it's just a potential zones. This downside. Unless if there is fundamental news that is going to push the price. In fact, let me even delete it. I don't want many zones in this place so that it will not cause us confusion. So this is our current market situation, and look at, as you can see, after I've marked the zone from previous data, and I see here go, and here it touch and go. So in this zone, let us go to H1 and see how we can scalp 30 pips or 20 pips and go. Let's just see how it will go. But remember, the bigger the higher the time frame, the lower your risks. Let me go back to it. This is H4. Under H4, let me use H1 and find a suitable place where we can be able to take our trade. Just little trade. Let me see. In this place, there is something support level. I think there should be a support level in this place. After that, there's There is something here. After that, there is another something here. But that's by the way. Let me just mark it the way you can understand. So this, I'm going to use red line. It's just a potential scalps. Scalps, red. Red means danger. Red means danger. Red means danger. Red means danger. Seesaw. Run. So this is it. This place. If price reach here, just seesaw, sharp. Is scalping. 10-20 pips, you go out. Your SL should be 10 pips above or below the zone. Either buy or sell, it doesn't matter. So this is for buy. Then let me see whether I can have anything for sell. Sell. There's hidden engulfing field. That's, I see the price respected. Look at also in this zone here. So here too is also so fast. Sharp. Don't waste time in the market. Sharp before it enters the H4 zone. If you want to scalp or you wait for the right zone, it's better for you to wait for the right zone itself. It's better for you to wait for the right zone. And why this H4 zone, I can still adjust it to here. Yeah, I think this is the perfect zone for this here. No, there's something here. This is where it happens. So next week, so by Monday we are going to look at these zones here, buy or sell. Here is red, danger. Here is for sell also. Let's us see. If price do not break above, we sell. But if price break above, we look for buy. Buy to which level? To this H4 level. Wow, I went and made mistake. I was marking the red line on H4 instead of H1. I made mistake. Let me change it. I will change it. So here is also H4 zone. This place. So if price reach here, let me change the color back to its normal. This thing. So this is H4 zone, but let me convert it. Let me go back to H1 and see something. There's something in the zone before I will change the color so that I can adjust it well to get accurate zones. I want to get accurate zone that is going to give us a good sharp entry in this zone and this zone. And let's see. What can I see? Let this load now. Let it load. Okay. So this place is still okay. I've saw the setup that I'm looking for. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I've seen what I'm looking for. So if price come by this zone, we can look for a potential little bit sell, and it's high risk please. High risk here too is also a high risk please. As you can see, it break and retest and come back to the zone. And look at crossover of the moving average. Look at what happened here. Crossover. So these are the zones that I mark for potential buy and sell throughout this week. 4th of Monday, we are going to take a look of them. So try to subscribe and turn on the notification bell, for more future videos and buy and better videos in the future. So I still remember Balafxofficial by the name. Try to subscribe and turn on the notification bell, and I'm going to send this on my YouTube and my Telegram, WhatsApp, the screenshot. Let me screenshot now. Okay, I have screenshot. So bye bye, peace.